Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve 8-ball stack. To know how to fix or how to solve 8-ball stack, you should just go to settings. Then in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this window here, you will enter to 8-ball. Then in this list of app info you will enter to force stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that you will enter to clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about 8-ball. When you will find it, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.